Have you ever wondered why some cupcakes turn out soft and fluffy while others don't? Let me show you how I make mine at my home. For this recipe, we'll be needing 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of melted margarine, 3/4 cups of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and cardamom for flavor. So, if your muffins or cupcakes do not look like this, guys, you need to stick around and see how we do it. So I'll start by adding 4 eggs into the bowl. I'll add 1 cup of sugar, mix this until it looks foamy or it is well combined. So this might take a little bit of time because you have to make sure that the egg and the sugar is foamy or it is well combined. So if you don't have an electric mixer, just use your hand, but this will take you a little bit more time than if you had a mixer. Now we'll go in with our 1 cup of margarine. Then go ahead and add your cooking oil and then give it another mix. Now I'll add my cardamom. So I chose to go with cardamom for this muffins, but you can use a flavor of your choice. Then add your baking powder and then start sifting your flour into your mixture, but you do it at intervals. Don't put the whole flour in there at once. So little by little as you mix. So sifting the flour is a very important step that you should be knowing by now if you bake, that you cannot afford to miss this step. So I'll just go in with my electric mixer, just mix a little bit, but just be careful not to overmix. Our batter is ready. It looks good. And now I'll go in and start filling my muffin trays. Just put like 3/4 fulls to the trays, not too full, not too little. Then go thereafter and bake that into 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 25 minutes or until they're ready. And that's how your muffins should look like after everything is set and done. They look so golden, they look so yummy, and yeah. So try this recipe, and if you like it, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.